The rand is taking a beating. The local currency has recovered just slightly against the dollar, but remains above the 15 level. Eskom's risk to the economy, local political woes, and the ongoing US-China trade war has resulted in the fall. Peregrine Treasury Solutions, Bianca joins us now to discuss this. Good morning, Bianca. How low can we go?
Good morning to you and the viewers at home, Jane. Unfortunately, at this point, that's like asking exactly how long is a piece of string. Currently, as you mentioned, the main drivers of the weakness in the rand is predominantly geopolitical factors such as the US-China trade war. But yesterday, unfortunately, we also saw some of the other elements filtering in, such as the Hong Kong turmoil, as well as the surprise upset election results coming out of Argentina, and that really drove the weakness in the rand yesterday. Luckily, since then, we have gained some ground. The question now is, however, whether the rand would be able to claw back some ground and whether or not we can see some of the sentiment return to markets.
The rand has been one of the worst performing currencies, though, which suggests that it's not only geopolitical events that are impacting it, but much of what's happening at home.
Definitely. So, unfortunately, the geopolitical event is the main and key driver of the weakening in the rand. But unfortunately, our excessively terrible, to put it in blunt language, economic data is really not supporting our currency. We've seen dismal figures come out of the local economy, such as 29% unemployment rate. We also saw mining and production or manufacturing data last week, really disappointing markets and showing that South Africa is once again heading towards a recession, and that is adding pressure to the local currency as well. The little bit of risk appetite that is available at the market is definitely not flowing into our country at the moment, and that is based on local factors.
Who benefits from a weakened rand?
Exporters benefits, so we will definitely see most of the farmers will actually enjoy a weak rand, mining companies will enjoy a weak rand. So basically, the moment that the rand weakens, it becomes a lot cheaper for other countries to purchase goods out of South Africa. One of the big challenges in South Africa, however, is that we are struggling to actually stimulate manufacturing and industry in South Africa, really bringing down our ability to produce and export a lot of goods.
I should imagine it has quite a dramatic impact on capital flight as well.
Definitely. We've actually seen a mass exodus of money out of the country, sale of South African assets, and we can actually see this in the rally and safe haven assets, such as the gold price reaching a 6-year high.
And how can the man, woman on the street protect themselves from what is going on?
Basically, you need to make a decision as to where you want to keep your assets, whether you want to have it local, which is obviously not the best idea if you have all your eggs in one basket. Currently, we would suggest that you take most of your wealth offshore, looking to put it into foreign currency, as the view of the rand in the long term is definitely on a weakening trend.
Bianca, thank you for talking to us.